Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to unboxing my first Temu sponsor product. So this is one, guys, here, look. So I'm gonna do today for unboxing. So I'm gonna honest review on this product. So let's go guys. So we're gonna do unboxing here. We're gonna open it. Open this one here. So guys, if you don't know Temu is a new shopping website. So their product is so really not expensive, but they're all quality. Let me see here. Look at this. Thank you, Temu. Wow, we're gonna do unboxing those. So many. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Oh, thank you. This is their packaging. This one's, guys, the packaging of Temu. There's individual. There's here. So now we're gonna do unboxing one by one. Wow, Temu. Soon. Really nice. Oh, look at this. Nice one. Wow. Thank you, Temu, for allowing me to showcase your product. So you can, guys, download your Temu apps. It's free. So this one here. What this one? Actually, guys, they're just send me this one. So I just gonna review. This is honest review, guys. So how Temu nice product are. This one here. Or this one. Oh, here. Cute one. So guys, this one here. Wow. I'm gonna do one by one. Okay. This one here. You give me this one. So I just gonna put a description on their website, so you can just go there and download in your cell phone. And this one, guys, here. Oh, this is a basket. Cute one. Wow. Thank you. Wow, this one's nice. Look at this. And you can customize. They have their name here. So you can here. So this one. And this, here. You go this one. You can do here. Like this. It's a basket. Okay, guys, this one here. And the other one here. This is, let me see this one. Wow. Oh, this is, wow, really cute. Thank you. Wow, I like this. Thank you very much. This one is a home decoration. It's accent. Nice. Wow, nice one. Thank you. And they have two. They have smaller one and the big one. Okay. So you're gonna put this aside for now. And here, let's see, start doing this unboxing. This one here, go check their website, Temu, Temu, Temu. And this one here, wow. Wow, their clothing. Wow. Look. Nice. I like these materials. Oh, this one, guys, here is Maxi dress. Off shoulder. Cute. This one I order medium size. This is my size. The materials is so nice. Look, the materials is nice. Thank you. I like this one. Wow. And more here. If you guys watching my video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And subscribe. Here. Wow, jumper. Oh, I like this jumper. Jumper here. Oh, okay. So cute. They have pocket on the back. Here. Oh. And here. There's no size. So you can look up in the shopping cart. And this one here. I like their packaging. This one, guys, is plastic. Even it's raining, so it doesn't wet your product. It's nice packaging. And this one here. Wow, it's pants. Cute one. Oh, cute. Look. Nice. And this one here. And rip on the knee area. And so cute. And they have fly button. And high waist. High waist. Nice one. Like this one. Another one here. Oh, nice. Here. Sleeveless. Cute. Beer and sunshine. Nice. I like the materials. I like the materials, guys. It's so nice. Soft. And more here. Oh, here. I requested this one. So this is tummy control. So this one has zipper. And you can zipper and you have tight. You can tight this for like this here. The materials is so thick and nice. And you can zipper it. Zipper. And you can tie it here. It's like this one. Oh, here. Always go this one here. This one is medium. So you just do like this. Here. Do like this. And across one. Here. Like this. There. And this one. There. Nice. So you can wear this one for errands. You wear this all day. It's soft, not really tight, so you can wear this one during your workout. Nice. Like this one. And let's go here more. Wow, I have shorts here. Nice shorts. Wow, shorts. This one. Look at this one, shorts. Nice one. Look. It's ripped. And then they have rip here, but it doesn't show. They're just the decoration. And then the materials is stretchable. Stretchable materials. Nice one. And here, let's go. Unboxing with Temu product. Wow. I like. Wow, nice. This one here. Cargo one. Cute. They have pocket on the corner, both sides. The materials is so nice. Cute. So you can wear this one for going to the beach. See? And more here. Don't forget to like, share, and comment if you liked my video. This one here, guys. Wow. Wow, dressed with flower on it. Look. Nice one. Printed. Look one. I like this one. Oh. Nice color with flower. And more here. You have this one here. Wow. It's a cargo pants. It's cargo one. Oh, I like this one. They have a lot of pocket in the corner. So the material is so nice. And you can tie it here in the bottom one. Wow, nice. Look at this. Pretty. Thank you, Temu. And there's one more here. More. One more here. Oh, cute. Sexy dress. I like this one. Wow. Sus. Wow, it's a sexy dress. Small strap, but this one's adjustable, both side here. And it's long one. Nice. I like this dress. Oh, here. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching my unboxing video with Temu product. Thank you, Temu, for allowing me to showcase your product. So if you guys interesting, I just gonna put the website in my description box. Thank you very much. Peace up. Spread the love and God bless you.